So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is here Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today I have done this yellow summery monochromatic look. I hope you guys like it. You can just wear this look with any kind of outfit you want, but you can just change the lip color. So yeah, let's begin. So to begin with, I'm going to use this plum face mist and just apply that on my face. This is the green tea revitalizing face mist by Plum. Then I'm going to use the Pond's super light gel moisturizer and just apply it on that face and massage it into my skin. Next, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty illuminating makeup primer. I'm just taking one pump over here and I'll dot it all over my face and blend it out with a stippling brush. This is a really amazing primer, illuminating primer if you're looking for one. This feels like MAC strobe cream. I haven't used it, but yeah, the appearance and everything, the feel, everything feels like that as per I have seen in the videos. Next, for priming my face, I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Bare Perfect primer. So as I have oily skin, so the Swiss Beauty doesn't work like a primer, like it's an illuminating lotion or illuminator, you can say. It's a good illuminator, I like it, but it doesn't work like for pore filling and stuff. So I'm applying this Lakme Absolute Bare Perfect primer. I'm also applying that on my under eyes and over my eyes so that my eyes get prepped. And then I'm using the pack eyebrow pomade, the superbrow gel in the shade 03. It's a perfect match for my eyebrows, and I'm just grooming my brows. I just spooled it out and now I'm just outlining them and filling them in. Next, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 06 and just apply that on my lid and blend it out nicely to prime my lids for the upcoming eyeshadows. So if you have a tacky base, the pigmentation of the eyeshadows come out more beautifully. So over here I'm using the Makeup Revolution Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and I'm trying to use the yellow shade, but it didn't work out for me. So I used the Color Studio by Beauty Glazed. So I'm taking this yellow shade and packing on the yellow shade on my whole lid with this pencil brush. Then now I am going to use a blending brush and blend out the edges of the yellow shade so that it just looks seamless. The Swiss Beauty liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade 01 golden, and this did not work for me when I was applying it. It just removed all the yellow shade from within, and just turned out to be a lot patchy. So I decided to use this Midnight Sparkle glitter palette and use this golden shade. This palette is by Swiss Beauty, and just take that golden shade and just like splattered it all over. I didn't concentrate it in one place, but I just splattered it all over. Next, I'm going to draw a wing liner. For that, I am using the Stay Quirky Badass liquid liner in the shade black. So I'm just drawing a basic wing. Next, for my base, I'm going to use the MAC HD foundation, or the Fix Fluid foundation in the shade NC42, and just apply that all over my face and just blend it out with a flat top kabuki brush. Next, I am going to use the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 06 and apply that on my inner corners, near my wing, and on the bridge of my nose, and also spot conceal and just blend it out with a blending brush. Actually, over here my camera had stopped recording, so for the powder I am using the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Mattifying Loose Powder. I'm just powdering down my under eyes and my smile lines where I do crease a lot. So I forgot, like, while I was showing the powder, my camera had stopped. So for contouring my face, I am going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee. I am going to contour my cheekbones, apply that on my forehead, and also I'll just contour my jawline to look chiseled. So next, after this, I'll be contouring my nose too with the same palette. Next, I'm going to use the SFR color blusher in the shade Nude Apricot. This is a very beautiful nude blush kind of shade. This is a little bit of darker peachy pinky kind of shade. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter and apply that on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's pull, chin, on my forehead, inner corners, and brow bone. This is a very beautiful highlighter, you guys. If you just want that one highlighter which you want to have, you can definitely go ahead with this. This is buttery smooth, like literally it just feels like butter. Next step, I'll be using this same shade on my lower lash line, and using a pencil brush I'll just blend everything out. Again, over here I forgot to show the mascara. This mascara is by L'Oreal. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm just applying that on my top and bottom lashes to curl them up. Next, for lashes, I use the PAC M73 lashes, and for my lipstick, I didn't have a yellow lipstick, so I'm going to use my eyeshadow as my lipstick. So I'm applying the concealer all over my lips, and then I'll just pack on the yellow shadow on over the concealer on my lips. So here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.